Hello dear students, today we will discuss on gradient. Before know about the gradient, first we discussed on del operator. The operator del is known as a vector differential operator and it is defined by del is equals to I del by del x, j del by del y, k del by del z. Now, what is the gradient of a scalar point function? If phi is equals to phi x, y, z, it means phi be a function of three variable x, y, z. Then the gradient or grade of phi is defined as gradient of delta phi is equals to I del phi by del x, j del phi by del y, k del phi by del z. It is a simple product of operator del and a scalar point function. The resultant value of the gradient of phi is always a vector quantity. It is always a vector quantity. Now we solve a simple problem based on gradient of phi. Here the given problem is find the gradient of phi for the function phi is equals to x, y, z square at the point 1, 0 and 3. Okay. So first we find gradient of phi. The gradient of phi, I tell you, the gradient of phi is equals to del of phi. The gradient of phi is equals to del into phi. This is the simple product. Okay. Then what is the value of del? That is I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z into phi. Here the phi is given x, y into z square. Now we multiply here. This is the simple multiplication. Okay. So this is I del by del x of the function x, y, z square plus of j del by del y of the function x, y, z square and k del by del z of the function x, y, z square. Now first we differentiate x, y, z square with respect to x and this is the partial derivative. Okay. When we partially differentiate x, y, z square with respect to x, then y, z square using as a constant. Only the variable x is differentiate with respect to x. So we get this is y, z square into y. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Then the derivative of x, y square z with respect to y is x, z square into j and the derivative of y, z square is equals to 2xyz k. Now this is the gradient of phi, but in the given problem we want the derivative gradient of phi at the point 1, 0, 3. Now we find the gradient at the point 1, 0 and 3. It means x replaced by 1, y replaced by 0 and z replaced by 3 in gradient of phi. So we get this y is 0, therefore this whole term is 0, give us 0 of I. Then this gives us 1 into 3 square j plus 2x, y is 0, then the whole term is 0. So finally we get the resultant is equals to 0i plus 9th of j plus 0 of k. So this is the gradient of phi at the given point 1, 0, 3. Thank you.